Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got a very nice old radio from Jeff. He loans me these radios so that I can show them to you. And this is a Sonora. It's AM and shortwave. What did I do with his notes? Oh my gosh, I am so disorganized. He got this at a flea market. He paid $35 for it, and then he took it to the Florida radio doctor here in Florida, and he had him completely clean up the electronics, new capacitor, check the tube, and now it's working fantastic. As you heard, that shortwave, I think that's Radio Martini up in the New England area, and they're broadcasting on 9.8, I think 50, thereabouts right now in Spanish. The radio, he said, did not have a back on it, so he came up with a replacement back, and the external antenna connection for shortwave and maybe AM both. I don't know if it's for both or not, but I've got it connected. There's a wire that comes out. I got that wire connected to my 31-foot vertical antenna right now. Now, the wire, which is about 6 inches, was picking up this station pretty good. But what I was trying to get WWV on 10 megahertz. And it's about 8:15 in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida. So it's going to, I usually can get WWV early in the morning on 5 megahertz, and then around 9 or 10, I start picking it up on 10 megahertz and losing it on 5. Well, this radio goes from 6 megahertz to 18 megahertz. So I can't get down to the 5 megahertz band. I tried going all the way as far down as I could to see maybe it would catch it. It couldn't catch it. So if this is indeed, and I'll look this up real quick, Radio Martini is on right now from Greenville, Texas on 9.805. So I think that's what you're hearing. Let me turn it back up. So it's coming in real clear. So according to that, I'm down a little below 10 megahertz. Let's tune that up and see if we can find WWV. Tuning it real slow. Probably past it now. Yep, didn't hear anything. Way past it now. Okay, this is on-off volume. This is tone control. This is the band select, either AM or shortwave, and it's the tuning knob. I would turn around and show you the back, but this thing is mammoth. And there's no telling what I might do if I try to turn it. So I'm just going to leave that alone. Let me go back down to around 7 megahertz, 6 megahertz. Can usually get some Spanish stations down there. Here we go. There's one. That's about 9 megahertz. Another one. I'll try to tune in, then I'll shut up. That's about 8.5. There's 8 megahertz. Station there. Oh, English. 7.8 maybe? Let me look that up for you. That's in English. So I need to change my search to English. 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 Go. Okay, and I'm saying about 7.8, thereabouts. What's strong down there? Or up there? 7.8, where's 7.8? I'm guessing, of course. Seven, eight. Okay. Well, there's a lot of stations on 7.780, and most of them are in the United States, WRMI. That's probably what that is, 7.78. Turn it up a little bit. In and out. Okay, let me turn it down a little bit. Do some more searching. There, it's stronger. I moved it just a tad stronger. Okay. Well, that's a good reception. Spanish, about 7.5. Another one. Picking up a lot of stations. Most of them are close, you know, within 1,000 miles. That almost sounds like the amateur band. Single sideband. I'm thinking that's single sideband. It's about 7.2. There's some more. Picking up quite a bit of stuff. I mean, the solar flux index is in the 12. It's like 70. Another Spanish station. Spanish language station. Not sure what that is. Can't tune that one in. Havana, Cuba. 6.3 or 4. Loud and clear. I'll shut up. Another one. Right there on the edge there. 6.3. Spanish. There it is. I wish I spoke Spanish because a lot of Spanish stations I can pick up. It's about 6.0. Tunes very smoothly. I don't know if I'm getting down to 5.0 or not. I doubt it. That's at the end of the band. So it did a pretty good job. A short wave. Of course, I can go over to, let me turn the volume down to medium wave or AM. Picking up a lot of noise in my workshop. Spanish again. Uh, I'm getting noise from my lights.
So difficult to maintain the health that New England had last year. Maintain. There's no delays to report across I-275 or the Howard Franklin Bridge.
That's strong.
I just rub them off with my fingers. Don't even let
That's
them
good.
be woody or long. Just go ahead and just keep. It's a win-win situation.
Very good.
Okay, they're not adversarial.
Another one. That's about it. Okay. So it's dead pretty good on medium wave, and I think it did excellent on shortwave because the shortwave band is really in the toilet right now. And it picked up, probably half a dozen to a dozen stations as far away as 800 miles, most of which are in Spanish. So that's it. Again, this is the Sonora AM shortwave radio, tube radio. I don't know how many tubes it's got. Let me see. Jeff didn't mention. He did say this is my second best tube radio. I didn't want to take the back off to count the number of tubes because that's not a big deal. Probably at least 5 or more. Big speaker here. Sound, when you tune in the station, sound is really good. Cabinet is in nice shape. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. And thanks, Jeff, for loaning me these radios. Have a great day. Bye-bye.